What are we working on today, Mike?
We're putting fascia boards up, or rake boards, you would call these, along the side of the house. We're going to use 1x because it's an existing shingle on the top side and they only gave me a 1-inch overhang. I usually like to do a 2x6, but we don't have that option right now. So we're going with a 1x or 5/4 by 6 by 12 footers I have. So we'll put it up along the eaves and make a little return here in my corner. I'll box it back in so it looks, kind of good, and then we'll do that so we get ready for capping. We're all wrapped up for today. We got all of our rake boards up, all of our 2x4s around the windows. Obviously, when trimming this out, it's not going to be perfect because we're doing aluminum capping over all of it. So we're not trying to get our perfect angles and everything. But we're all 2x4'd out around the window, around the old construction windows and the rake boards. And now we will start capping everything. And once we cap, we get J channel, get our starter strip going, and then we're siding.